Since its launch, Hubble has continuously expanded the boundaries of human knowledge, transforming countless theories into observations and turning distant mysteries into measurable scientific discoveries. Quietly and relentlessly, it continues to orbit high above Earth, suspended within the silent and seemingly endless darkness of space, far beyond the direct reach of human hands and ordinary observation. From this remarkable vantage point hundreds of kilometers above the planet, Hubble observes the cosmos with a level of clarity and precision that was once considered impossible to achieve. Far above the distorting effects of Earth's atmosphere, the telescope is free from the turbulence, moisture, and atmospheric interference that blur and weaken observations made from the ground. Within this rare environment, light from distant regions of the universe travels unobstructed into Hubble's instruments, allowing it to capture breathtaking images with extraordinary sharpness, depth, and scientific detail. When Hubble was finally launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, it represented far more than the deployment of a sophisticated scientific instrument into orbit. It symbolized a bold declaration of human curiosity, ambition, determination, and the enduring desire to explore realities that exist far beyond the boundaries of our everyday experience. The mission embodied decades of scientific planning, engineering innovation, technological development, and the collective efforts of thousands of researchers, engineers, technicians, and visionaries. Years of complex design and relentless dedication were ultimately condensed into a single remarkable machine built not only to observe the universe but also to help humanity better understand its place within it. At the time of its launch, very few people could fully appreciate how profoundly this orbiting observatory would transform humanity's understanding of space, time, and cosmic evolution. Initially, many viewed Hubble as simply a more advanced telescope capable of capturing clearer and more detailed images than any astronomical instrument that had come before it. Yet as the mission progressed and its observations accumulated, it became increasingly clear that Hubble's true impact would extend far beyond those original expectations. Positioned above Earth's turbulent atmosphere, Hubble transformed the night sky from a blurry collection of distant lights into a vast and highly structured cosmic landscape filled with complexity and hidden detail. Objects that once appeared faint, indistinct, and almost featureless suddenly emerged with astonishing levels of clarity, revealing structures that had remained invisible for generations. Stars that once seemed like tiny points of light scattered across the darkness were revealed as immense celestial furnaces producing unimaginable amounts of energy every second. Many of these stars existed at distances so great that their light had spent millions or even billions of years traveling across the universe before finally reaching Hubble's sensitive detectors. Each captured image therefore represented far more than a simple photograph. It served as a historical record carrying information from ancient periods of cosmic history. Every observation became a glimpse into the past, allowing scientists to study events that occurred long before Earth itself reached its present form. As Hubble continued surveying the cosmos, galaxies that once appeared as vague smudges began to reveal their true nature as vast systems containing billions of stars, enormous clouds of gas, and complex gravitational structures. Their spiral arms stretched across hundreds of thousands of light years, forming elegant patterns shaped by gravity over immense spans of cosmic time. At their centers, powerful regions of concentrated energy influenced the motion of surrounding stars and often revealed the presence of supermassive black holes. These galaxies were no longer viewed as static objects frozen in time but as dynamic systems continuously evolving across billions of years. Nebulae appeared as magnificent glowing clouds of gas and dust illuminated by nearby stars and shaped by powerful cosmic forces. Within these enormous stellar nurseries, new generations of stars were born while older stars approached the ends of their lives. This ongoing cycle of birth, evolution, death, and renewal revealed a universe constantly engaged in processes of creation and transformation. As Hubble observed deeper regions of space, it began uncovering details that had never before been witnessed in human history. Ancient galaxies appeared as though frozen in time, providing direct evidence of conditions that existed during the universe's earliest stages. Massive stellar explosions illuminated distant regions of space, releasing extraordinary amounts of energy and reshaping their surrounding environments. Meanwhile, enormous black holes revealed their presence through powerful jets of matter and radiation extending across vast cosmic distances. The deeper Hubble looked into space, the farther back in time humanity was able to see, effectively turning the telescope into a machine for exploring cosmic history. Every photon collected by its instruments had traveled immense distances across the universe, carrying information from eras long vanished. Over time, Hubble evolved into a long-term orbital observatory capable of studying both the distant universe and the changing environments within our own solar system. Unlike many short-duration missions, Hubble continued operating year after year, completing an orbit around Earth approximately every 90 minutes. This continuous presence allowed scientists to revisit the same regions repeatedly and detect subtle changes that would otherwise remain unnoticed. Through decades of uninterrupted observations, one remarkable truth became increasingly clear: the universe is constantly changing. Galaxies evolve, stars are born and die, planets transform, and even seemingly stable cosmic structures continue to develop over time. Hubble's observations of Mars provided some of the most detailed long-term records ever obtained of another planet within our solar system. Repeated imaging across different seasons revealed that Mars is not a lifeless, frozen world but a planet experiencing ongoing atmospheric and environmental activity. Its polar ice caps expand and contract with the changing seasons, dust storms can engulf the entire planet, and thin clouds drift through its atmosphere. These observations demonstrated that Mars possesses a complex climate system shaped by solar energy, atmospheric processes, and orbital cycles. Beyond Mars, Hubble also helped scientists refine their understanding of Phobos, the planet's small moon, which continues its slow inward spiral due to tidal forces. Within the asteroid belt, Hubble revealed a surprisingly active environment where collisions, fragmentation, and gravitational interactions continue reshaping the region. Some asteroids were even observed shedding material into space, while others displayed evidence of recent impacts and structural changes. Together, these discoveries demonstrated that even the oldest objects within the solar system remain active participants in an evolving cosmic environment. After more than 30 years of service, Hubble continues to observe silently from orbit, collecting data and uncovering new mysteries with every passing year. It has transformed humanity's view of the cosmos, revealing a universe far larger, older, more complex, and more dynamic than anyone once imagined. And even today, as ancient light continues to arrive from the farthest reaches of space, Hubble remains watchful, capturing the stories carried within that light and reminding humanity that the greatest discovery